Wow, this is really looking delicious. If I can get that to come out, look at that scoop dough. Perfect. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you how I made vanilla ice cream using oat milk. Okay, let's get started. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Diane, and today I'm going to be making some vanilla ice cream for my husband who has alpha-gal. This is going to be an alpha-gal safe vanilla ice cream. So I've got the Ninja Creami that I made ice cream in before, and that was before he had alpha-gal. But now that he has alpha-gal, I had stopped making it. So I'm gonna pick that back up so we kind of like having ice cream. So we're gonna start out with adding a half a cup of sugar. I got my recipe that I wrote out. And I'm hoping that this is gonna be nice and creamy and delicious. And then I'm gonna be making mine with oat milk today. I thought about almond milk, but I'm gonna be making it with oat milk. And I thought I had ordered the extra creamy. You know, I always like to use the extra creamy when I'm making a cream sauce. But for some reason, it's just the regular oat milk. But I've got an unsweetened original. And so, and to my sugar, I'm gonna add, and then I have coconut cream. Not coconut milk, but coconut cream. And this has been sitting in my refrigerator for a few days now because I wanted to get it really cold. I want to start out with the cold ingredients as much as I could. Okay, and we're just gonna whisk all of these ingredients together and throw them in our little container and freeze it. All right, and this is the cream, and this is what it looks like. And we're gonna go in with 1 cup of that. So now we want the cream part. I'm gonna try to show you the liquid part, but I got to get the cream part out of the can. That's why we're not using milk, because this is going to help to make our ice cream to be more of the consistency of that cream that you know we're used to. So we want to get the cream part out. Actually, I didn't have to shake it because it's just congealed being put in the refrigerator. But that's okay, because if you don't put it in the refrigerator, I don't think that it would have congealed. So hopefully I won't have too much trouble trying to mix it by hand. All right, and so this is kind of like what it's looking like, all nice and clumpy. And hopefully it'll come together for me very nicely. I've just got some really just quick ingredients. This is the rest of it. It's liquidy. That's the actual coconut part of it, or the liquid part of it. Then we're gonna go in with 2, and I want it to have a real vanilla taste to it. So we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, okay? So it'll be really rich vanilla flavor to it. And this is the second one. Smells good. And then we're gonna go in with a pinch of salt, and this is just some kosher salt that I have in here. And we're gonna go in with our whisk. I may have to move this to my blender if it doesn't come together nicely for me, but I think it's gonna be okay. It's seeming like it's trying to do right. I think it's beginning to melt into that. At the most, we'll have vanilla ice, so sweet vanilla ice that is. But this is melting down really good. I'm gonna continue to do this. All right, I'm gonna give it a little taste because I wanna know where I'm at. It does taste like ice cream. And it's sweet. I think enough, but hubby would like it a little bit more sweeter, so I'm gonna go in with another half, maybe almost a cup of sugar. And I'm still just trying to break up the cream. Somebody let me know, because I can't remember that if you just shake the can, will the cream come to the top? And then I can just scoop it off and put it in here. Let me know, please, in the comments if I can do that, because I think this is going to be a winner for my husband. All right, let me give it another little quick taste. Just nice. Okay, for us, I think that's the key right there. Almost a cup of sugar, because this is unsweetened as well as the oat milk. So now we know what's in this. I don't have to worry about the ingredients, any artificial ingredients. I know what's in it, and I know it's goodness, and I know it's going to be good for my hubby. All right. I think that looks good. And then we're going to get ready to pour these into the containers. Then I have my 2 containers here. I'm going to turn it around so I can see the fill line for myself. Here we go. The freeze line, as it's called. If I did my measurements right. Oh no, I might have to take some out. I was hoping I'd get a full 2 pints. It's going to be just shy, but I'm going to take some out maybe. I don't know if I can do that. Let's see how far it's going to go. So maybe I need to increase my recipe to 2.5 cups of oat milk. All right, let's clean up. So, not bad. The fill line is right here, so I'm like about 1/4 off. I don't know if it'll be okay or not. But, yeah, at any rate, I'm going to try it, okay? So I'm going to put my tops back on. Into the freezer they go for 24 hours, and tomorrow we're going to have ice cream. Hey, so it's the next day. It's been 24 hours. My ice cream is completely frozen, okay? I'm going to show you up close what that looks like. And it's been a minute, of course, since I used this. So I'm going to see if I can remember how to do this. Got that locked in there. And I'll get my top on here. All right, slide it in. And I've got my oat milk here, just in case I think it's not mixing right after it mixed the first time. Then I'm gonna pour a little bit of milk in there. Hopefully that'll cream it up. But hopefully I won't have to use that at all, but we will see. All right, just try to remember how to do it. I'm gonna choose full. And I got it on ice cream. And here we go. Okay, this runs for a full 3 minutes. So I've just cut the video so you don't have to endure all the noise. And I'm trying to kind of drown it out a little bit. Okay, just finished. Let's see what it's like. If I need to do anything to it. Okay, I'm gonna show you before I touch it. That to me is looking creamy. I'm gonna taste it. I don't think I'm gonna add any milk to it because oh my gosh, that is absolutely delicious. Oh, hubby is gonna love that. Okay, I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description box. If you have the creamy, of course, but it is Alpha-Gal safe. If you have somebody in your family that is dealing with Alpha-Gal, this is absolutely great. So also at this point, if you freeze some berries, strawberries, whatever kind you want, you would put them in now, do a respin, and it would incorporate them into the ice cream. But hubby's gonna enjoy this tonight. So I went ahead and creamed up the one that was not completely full to about 1/4 of an inch away from full. And I'm gonna just scoop this one out so you can see. Look at that. That's a nice scoop. I did discover when I went back and looked at my pickup that they substituted my extra creamy oat milk for just the original. So I'm sure if I had extra creamy, it would be even better. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Be blessed, and I'll see you real soon.